The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello everyone, I welcome you again to this EVS class. I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. Remember, this coronavirus is spreading everywhere, so you have to be careful and stay away from this virus. Okay? Now we can go to the next topic of our chapter 2, that is Others in My World. In this Others in My World, you have studied about the nuclear family and joint family, right? What do you know about nuclear family? Yes, a nuclear family consists of father, mother and children, right? Then what about joint family? Yes, a joint family is a big family with more members, that is father, mother, children, grandparents, aunt, uncle and cousins, right? Now we can go to the next topic, that is neighborhood. So children, we will learn a new topic today, that is about neighborhood. See the spelling, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D. Neighborhood is the area around our house. So we all live in a house, isn't it? Our house will be surrounded by some other houses, some shops, a street, road and hospitals. Sometimes there will be hospitals and school, police station and many other places will be there around our house. So this our area surrounded by our house is called a neighborhood.
Children, now let us see some examples for neighborhood places. The first one is a bus stop. We wait for the buses at a bus stop. Do you have bus stop in your neighborhood? The next one is a hospital. The place where sick people are treated. Doctors and nurses work there. Next one, which is the place? Yes, it is a park. It is your favorite place, isn't it? We all love to go a park and enjoy. The next one, police station. Police station is the place where police officers work. They keep the neighborhood safe by catching robbers and thieves. And the next one is a supermarket. We will buy many useful things from a supermarket. And the next example is a library. We can take and read many books from a library. Now let us watch some of the neighborhood places around our school. You might have seen many places around our school. Many shops are there, road is there, NH, bridge is there, and Kalyana Mandapam and VFPCK. Many things are there in our school. Schoolinte chuttum namukku kore കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. So can you recollect which are the neighborhood places around our school? Let us watch a map showing the neighborhood places of our school through Google Map. This is a
picture from Google Map. I have taken from my mobile. This is the map showing our neighborhood, that is school's neighborhood. നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ neighborhood places ആണിത്. See, this is the school. Nearby we can see Pavitra Kalyana Mandapam, and this is VFPCK, that seed processing unit, Fawaz Bakery, and many roads there. NH is going there, National Highway. There is a lodge here, and Block Panchayat office, Top and Taste Bakery, and some other places are around in our school. And in the back side of school we can see fields. പാടങ്ങളൊക്കെ കാണാൻ പറ്റും അല്ലേ? This is the neighborhood of our school, VSS Gurukulam. Have you enjoyed this? You can also see the Google Map in your parents' mobile when you want to watch your neighborhood places. All the places are available in Google Map. You can watch. Okay? Now you take the page number 18 of your little thinker. You can see a map of Priya's neighborhood. What all things you can see in Priya's neighborhood? Where is Priya's house? Yes, this is Priya's house, and near to that you can see John's house, and MG Road, a road is going there, MG Road. That road meets the SK Street, and here Ali's house is there, Raji's house is there. So there are many houses surrounded by Priya's house, isn't it? And what are the other neighborhood places? Yes, one RK Street. In this RK Street we can see a library, school, and Viji's supermarket, Nidhi's house, and MG Road is there. So many roads named different name as there. Then Satya's park and playground, and Shiva's street. See, this is the park nearby the Priya's house, and the CL street. See, then Shiva street. So many streets are there near the Priya's neighborhood. Okay. Then there is a hospital. What's the name of the hospital? Yes, Sumi's Hospital. So this is the map showing Priya's neighborhood. Watch carefully again. Priya's house, John's house, Raji's house, Ali's house, then library, school, supermarket, Nidhi's house, then playground and park, here hospital, and some streets are there named different names. That is NG Road, SK Street, RK Street, then Shiva Street, etc. Near to Priya's house there is John's house. So John is a neighbor, and Raji's house, Raji is a neighbor. Ali's house, Ali is a neighbor. Then Nidhi's house. So Nidhi, John, Raji, Ali are the neighbors of Priya. Okay? And which are the other places nearby the Priya's house? Yes, that are library and school near to the RK Street. RK Street ilana library school ullathu. Then what is in the Nidhi's house? Nearby to Nidhi's house there is a supermarket called Viji's Supermarket. Then MG Road Satya's park and playground is there. Then in the Shiva Street there is a hospital. CL Street in Shiva Street in or hospital under, that is Sumi's Hospital. So these are the neighborhood places in our Priya's house. Okay. Now you take the page number 19. There is an activity regarding this map of Priya's neighborhood. മാപ്പ് നന്നായിട്ട് വാച്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഈ fill in the blanks നമുക്ക് fill ചെയ്യാം. Okay? What is the first question? Dash is Priya's neighbor. അപ്പോൾ പ്രിയയുടെ നെയ്ബർ ആരാണ്? ഏറ്റവും അടുത്ത് പ്രിയാസ് ഹൗസിൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും അടുത്തുള്ള നെയ്ബർ ആരാണ്? നോക്കൂ. സി, പ്രിയാസ് ഹൗസ് നിയർ ടു ദാറ്റ് John's house is there. So, who is the neighbor of Priya? Yes, John. So, you have to write John here. Then, the next question. There are dash houses in Priya's neighborhood. പ്രിയയുടെ വീടിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് എത്ര ഹൗസസ് കണ്ടു നമ്മൾ? Do you want to see it again? John's house, Raji's house, Ali's house and Nidhi's house. So 4 houses are there. So you write 4 here. Then next, third question, dash, dash, dash and dash. So 4 dash is there. Live near Priya's house. So in the dashes you have to write who all are living near to Priya's house. പ്രിയയുടെ വീടിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് ആരൊക്കെയാണ് താമസിക്കുന്നത്? Who are Priya's friends, neighbors? Yes, John, Raji, Ali and Nidhi. So you write John, Raji, Ali and Nidhi here. Then what's the next question? D. There is a dash, a dash, a dash, a dash and a dash in Priya's neighborhood. We have seen which are the other places seen in Priya's neighborhood. പ്രിയയുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിൻ്റെ വീടല്ലാതെ വേറെ എന്തൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടു അതിൽ? See, there is a park, supermarket, hospital, library and school. So you write park, first dash park, then supermarket, hospital, library and school in Priya's neighborhood. Then next question, E. The school is on dash street. In which street school is located? ഏത് സ്ട്രീറ്റിലാണ് സ്കൂൾ ഉള്ളത്? See, RK Street. Yes, very good. So you write RK സ്ട്രീറ്റിലാണ് സ്കൂൾ ഉള്ളത്. Then next question F. Dash house is closest to the library. Which house is closest to the library? ലൈബ്രറിയുടെ അടുത്ത് ഏതൊക്കെ വീടാണുള്ളത് നോക്കൂ. See, this is the library. Priya's house is there. Nidhi's house also there. So both are closest to the library. Which one is more closest? Yes, പ്രിയയുടെ വീടിൻ്റെ നേരെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ആണ് അല്ലേ, അടുത്താണ്. ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു വഴി മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ അല്ലേ, അത് ക്രോസ് ചെയ്ത ലൈബ്രറി ആയി. പക്ഷേ നീതിയുടെ ഹൗസ് കുറച്ചും കൂടി ഇങ്ങനെ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരണം. So we can write Priya's house is closest to the library. So write Priya apostrophe S. Then the second question, color the house that is next to the supermarket. സൂപ്പർമാർക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ അടുത്തുള്ള ഒരു ഹൗസ് ഏതാണ്, അതിൽ കളർ ചെയ്യാം. വിച്ച് ഹൗസ് ഈസ് നിയർ ടു ദ സൂപ്പർ മാർക്കറ്റ്? പ്രിയയുടെ ഹൗസാണോ, രാജിയാണോ, അലിയാണോ, അത് നീതിയാണോ, അത് ജോണിൻ്റെ ഹൗസാണോ? ഏത് ഹൗസാണ് സൂപ്പർ മാർക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ അടുത്തുള്ളത്? വേർ ഇസ് ദ സൂപ്പർ മാർക്കറ്റ്? Yes, this is the supermarket. Which is supermarket? Here, Nidhi's house is there. So, nearby the supermarket, there is a house, that is Nidhi's house. So, you have to color Nidhi's house. Now, you turn the next page. Page number 20. Draw and color the different buildings on your street and name them. You can do this as home fun. Can you draw and color the different buildings on your street? നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്ട്രീറ്റിൽ ഏതൊക്കെ ബിൽഡിങ്സ് ആണ് ഉള്ളത് അതൊക്കെ വരച്ചിട്ട് കളർ ചെയ്യാം. യു ക്യാൻ ഡ്രോ ഹൗസസ്. ഇഫ് ഹൗസസ് ആർ ദർ, എന്താണോ ഉള്ളത് വീട്ടിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് അതൊക്കെ വരച്ചിട്ട് കളർ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ. Now you turn the next page, page number 21. In page number 21, answer the following. Many questions are, 5 questions are there. These all questions you have to write your own. So it is a home fun. I will read the questions for you. First question, write one sentence on what you like about your neighborhood. നിങ്ങളുടെ നെയ്ബർഹുഡ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ, ആ നെയ്ബർഹുഡ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടാൻ കാരണം എന്താണ്? വാട്ട് യു ലൈക്ക് ഇൻ യുവർ നെയ്ബർഹുഡ്. ചിലപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് ചിലപ്പോൾ പാർക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള എന്തെങ്കിലും ബിൽഡിങ്ങോ എന്തെങ്കിലും ആരെങ്കിലും ഹൗസോ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടാവാം അല്ലേ. അതിനെന്താണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടം, അത് ഒരു സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ എഴുതാം. സോ റൈറ്റ് ഇൻ എ സെൻറ്റൻസ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, നെയിം ദ സ്ട്രീറ്റ് ഓർ ഏരിയ യുവർ ഹൗസ് ഈസ് ഇൻ. So your house will be in a street or in an area. എന്തെങ്കിലും ആർക്കെ നഗർ അങ്ങനെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു പേരിലായിരിക്കും നിങ്ങളുടെ വീടുണ്ടാവുക അല്ലേ. So you have to write the name of your street. Third question, name the street or area your school is in. Do you know in which place our school is situated? Yes, Alathur. So you can write Alathur here. Then fourth question, is your school in your neighborhood? See, some of you may be living nearby our school. So you can write yes. If it is not, you can write no. Okay. Then 5. Write the names of at least 2 of your neighbors. So നിങ്ങളുടെ വീടിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് കുറേ നെയ്ബേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടാവും. So you can write their names, at least 2 of them you can write, or you can write 2 or more. If you want to write more names of your neighbors, you can write at least 2 neighbors name you have to write here. So children, that's all for today. Do the home funs given in the page number 20 and 21 of your Little Thinker. All are doing the home funs very well too. നിങ്ങൾ കുറേ പേരൊക്കെ എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, നന്നായിട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു വലിയ കയ്യടി. Then I hope you have enjoyed today's class with the help of our smart class. Then study the concepts very well. Nuclear family പഠിച്ചു, joint family പഠിച്ചു. Then we have studied neighborhood, neighbors and the neighborhood places. So ഇതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ സ്പെല്ലിങ്സ് ഒക്കെ നന്നായിട്ട് വൃത്തിയായി പഠിച്ചു വയ്ക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ ഹോം ഫൺ ലിറ്റിൽ തിങ്കറിൽ ഉള്ള ഹോം ഫൺ കൂടാതെ നോട്ടിൽ എന്താണ് എഴുതേണ്ടതെന്ന് ടീച്ചർ അയച്ചു തരുന്നതാണ്, അതും എഴുതി പഠിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ ഇതുവരെ എഴുതി പഠിച്ചതൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് റിവൈസ് ചെയ്യുക, എപ്പോഴും ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് റിവൈസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ. സോ വിൽ മീറ്റ് യു ഇൻ ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോ. ടിൽ ദെൻ ടേക്ക് കെയർ. ബൈ ബൈ.